Bonjour et bienvenue à l'atelier By ATB. I'm Alice Tshilenge Ballery and I believe that everyone deserves a beautifully designed home that reflects their unique story and enhances their well-being. As a French-born interior designer, I bring passion for timeless design and European flair to every project. I'm passionate about making professional design more approachable and accessible. And our virtual design package provides a flexible and convenient way to design a space you love. If you're a hands-on homeowner or a renter who loves to be involved in the design process and wants to make the most of their budget, our From Screen to Dream virtual design package is the perfect solution for you.
Feeling overwhelmed by design decisions? Love the idea of a professionally designed space without the hefty price tag? Whether you're across town or across the country, our virtual design process allows you to create a space you love from the comfort of your own home. You'll have the creative freedom to bring your vision to life in your own terms with expert support every step of the way. Our process starts with a complimentary discovery video call to connect and discuss your vision for your home. We'll explore your style preferences, lifestyle needs, and project goals. Next, we'll dive deeper thanks to a detailed questionnaire and a fun Pinterest survey. If you have existing furniture you would like to incorporate, we'll include an inventory check to ensure a seamless blend of old and new. We'll also ask you to provide photos and measurements of your space. To help you do so, we provide a straightforward measuring guide, ensuring every inch of your space is considered in our design. We then move on to the design concept phase. This is where the magic happens. We'll take your vision and translate it into a beautiful and functional design concept. We'll explore different styles, colors, and materials to create a cohesive look and feel that reflects your unique personality. You'll receive mood boards to help you visualize your dream space and 2 floor plan options to choose from. We encourage you to provide your feedback and request revisions if needed. Once you approve the concept, we move to the design development phase. We refine your design and create a detailed plan for your space. This includes selecting furniture and the main pieces of decor, creating 3D renderings for visualization, and providing a curated shopping list with everything you need to bring your vision to life. Jump into our virtual meeting to review the design together and ensure it's perfect for you. Request revisions if needed. Want to take your design to the next level? Our Accessorizing Service takes the guesswork out of choosing the perfect finishing touches. We'll curate a selection of accessories, artwork, and decor that complement your style and enhance your space. You'll receive a detailed shopping list and styling guide, making it easy to add those final layers of personality and charm. Once the design is finalized, we'll guide you through the implementation phase. You'll receive a detailed shopping list with links to purchase your furniture and decor. We'll also provide a styling guide to help you arrange everything beautifully. And if you have any questions along the way, we're just a phone call away. Ready to create your dream home? Book a complimentary discovery video call today and let's discuss your vision. Au revoir!